Hello children, I am Prasanna. In this video I am going to explain you 4.3 exercise of Unit 4 Basic Geometrical Ideas. So this exercise is based on angles children, and about angles I have explained in the previous video, and the parts of an angle are vertex and arms. Arms can also called as sides, and here the first question, name the angles, vertex and arms of the angles from the figure. See, they have given here figure two intersected lines, and how many angles are formed here? 4 angles, and 4 angles are formed here. I am going to write here first AOB, angle AOB, AOB, next BOC, next COD, next DOA. So 4 angles are formed, AOB, BOC, COD and DOA. Here 4 angles are formed. Coming to here, we have to write the vertex. In AOB, if you observe here children, AOB means here that these two are two arms, and where the angle is formed at the vertex, and what is this vertex given in the figure? O. And I have already told the vertex is always in the middle. So here middle letter is what? Vertex O. Coming to in this BOC also, what is the vertex here? O. If you see in this also, what is the middle letter? O. DOA is also O. So what is the vertex children? O. Coming to here in angle AOB, what are the arms? If you see this figure AOB, it is like this, right? This is O, this is A, this is B. Here O is the vertex, and what are the arms here? OA and OB. OA and OB are the two arms. Similarly in this OB and OC. Okay? OB in BOC, OB and OC are the two arms. In COD, OC and OD are the two arms. Coming to angle DOA, simply we can write OD and OA are the two arms. Is that clear children? Coming to second question children, name the angles formed in the figure. See the figure, how many angles are formed here? 1, 2, 3, 4, and we have to write that names. See in short form, here angles can be represented either with 3 letters or with single letters. So in both ways we are going to write now. Here the angles, angle A, angle B, angle C, angle D are formed, right? See, if I represent with the single letters, you got angle A, angle B, angle C and angle D. But we learn how to represent the angles with the 3 letters. Here, what is the vertex here? A. So, vertex is what? Where an angle is formed. Now, how you write A with the 3 letters children? The vertex A should be in the middle. So, you can write as DAB or BAD. If you observe here, DAB or BAD, what is the middle letter here? A. So always vertex should be in the middle. So represent A as DAB, and how you represent B as ABC, isn't it? Here B is in the middle. Next, how you represent C as angle BCD, BCD, or you can write as DCB also, but C should be in the middle. How do you represent D here? Like CDA. You can represent CDA or ADC. Third question. Mark the points in the figure which satisfy all the 3 conditions. Here the 3 conditions they are given in the question children. First one, A, B in the interior of DOF. Here A and B are the 2 points. We should mark in the interior of DOF. Where is DOF? This full big angle is nothing but DOF. We have to mark A and B in the inside of this angle. Next, A and C in the exterior of EOF. Exterior means what? Outside, okay? Here, EOF here, we should mark this AC not in the interior. Exterior of EOF means either this side or this side. Is that clear? Next, B should be on DOE. On DOE means this part. So in this particular sum, if you go from third one or here, it is very easy for you children. So first I am going to do third one, that is B on DOE. Here I am showing the two ways children, we will see which is correct, okay. So I am drawing one more figure, here F, here E, here O, here D, okay. Now B on DOE, which is angle DOE. So I can write B on this one or here I can write. Is that clear? We will see finally which is correct. So B is on DOE. Here I have written B on the boundary means on OE I have marked. Is that clear children? Everyone? Next. Second one. AC in the exterior of EOF. Which angle is exterior here? Here EOF is this angle. We should mark A and C in the exterior. Exterior means this is interior part, either this or this. So in this particular figure I will mark A and C here. Exterior of EOF. So I told here also I can mark. Is that clear? Now next one, AB in the interior of DOF. Already we got the answer here. A and B in the interior of DOF. Here DOF is what? Big angle. If you see that angle, A and B are the inside of this angle. Here already we have got A and B. So no need to mark anywhere. Now coming to in this figure, here exterior of EOF I have marked here. Now is this first one satisfied in this figure? No, because A is outside of DEF. So this method is wrong. So we have to first mark B on DOE, means on OE we have to mark. Next A and C in the exterior of EOF. So this angle is exterior, so EOF, so we have to mark exterior of EOF A and C. Now automatically first one satisfies that A and B in the interior of DOF. Coming to fourth question children, mark the angles formed in the figure. So where an angle forms, angles are formed at the corner. Here if you observe in the first figure, where angle is formed children, here this is the corner, this is the vertex, so this is the angle. Here we can mark an angle. Coming to in this, there is no corner only here, so there is no vertex here, so we cannot mark an angle here. Now if you see this figure is like star. So where is a corner here? If you see this is the corners, here we can mark an angle, all this, and whenever two lines intersect there are four angles are formed. Here if you observe these four angles, and here also four, here also 4, here also 4, here also 4. So these many angles are formed in this star figure. And coming to last one, here there is no point of intersection, so there is no corner, so we cannot mark an angle here. So this is the answer children. So by this we completed 4.3 exercise.